Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can fetch the thumbnails of the YouTube video and basically save it inside your machine. So this is basically a Tkinter desktop application, a GUI kind of an application, and basically what you can right here do, you can go to YouTube and simply right click copy link address and go to this application and simply paste the link of the video to fetch the thumbnails. So now it will basically display the thumbnails of the video in all of the qualities. You will see that if I click download maximum resolution, it will allow you to pick the directory. I need to download my image in the downloads directory. So now you will see guys, the image has been successfully saved. So let's suppose I am going to any other channel here, and let's suppose I want to fetch the thumbnails. So once again I can simply copy link address, paste it, click display thumbnails. So it will display this thumbnail guys. Again, you can in various qualities you can display the highest resolution. So now you can see that guys, thumbnail is successfully saved inside your machine. So we are using Tkinter desktop application for fetching these thumbnails from the YouTube video. So it's very easy. And Tkinter, as you all know, it's a desktop framework for Python. If you just type on Google, and all the source code guys I have given in the description of the video. You can check out the full source code of this desktop application. So you can see we are using pillow library. So very first thing you need to do inside your command line, you need to install pillow, pillow, pillow. So this is required for this project, and after that we will start writing our code here guys. So I think I can create a new file here, project.py, and start writing the code for this code here. So basically guys, this is a script. So for this we need Tkinter module, and also we will need the file system module of Tkinter to save files, and one more module is file dialog. This is required, and operating system module is also required. And from pillow we also need to import image and image tk, and also we need to import the input output library. And after this guys, what we will say, we will basically have a window on the screen which will say tk, it contains a function tk, and we will give it a title to the window that YouTube thumbnail downloader. And basically guys, this is the widgets which will be shown on the browser, in the desktop app. So we have this URL label, YouTube video URL. So if I launch this application root main loop, so what you will see basically, so it is saying display thumbnails is not defined because we have defined this as a command here. So whenever you click this button, this function will execute. So we can define this function which is display thumbnails. So if I now execute, you will basically see this is the interface here. Scroll bar is also there, you will see that. Here we can type anything, the URL of the YouTube video. So basically after this we will need to define this function. So inside this function guys, we will basically fetch the file name. So with the help of URL module, we will split it by like this, and then we will basically give the file name $0. This will fetch the file name, and then basically we will make the request by using get method, and then we will get the response alongside with the status. And here we will basically allow the user to choose the directory where they want to save the file. It basically contains a method ask directory. So initial directory will be the downloads directory. So operating system path expand user, the special symbol which is this symbol, and the title of the window will be to select directory. That's all. So after that, guys, basically we will have a if condition that if the directory is being a valid directory, in that case we will basically save that file inside that. So operating system join the directory comma the actual file name. So basically f file name inside curly brackets file name underscore quality dot jpg. So after we do that, we just need to say with open, we will write the file inside the file path. We will use the write binary mode as file, and we will use the write method to actually write the file. So response.content, and then basically we will print out the statement that thumbnail saved at that actual file path. So I think yes, this function is over, guys. Basically this allows you to basically write your file. So this is the actual, sorry, this basically is the download thumbnails function, not the display. So this is download thumbnails. Basically it takes the URL and the quality of the thumbnails. So in various qualities we are downloading the thumbnails, the SD quality, highest quality, all that. So we are actually downloading, and also here we will basically define this function which is display thumbnails. So what that display thumbnails will do, guys, this is the actual code for this. So it's a pretty large script, guys, so I will not be able to write the complete script, but let me just explain you what is happening right here. So we have declared a variable array here, thumbnail labels. You can basically go to the description and you can get this script. So what this doing is that if I once again launch this, you can see that. So if I enter the URL here, let's suppose this URL I enter. So it's a very handy desktop application, guys. So you no longer need to go to scrappy online websites to basically get the thumbnails. You can see that. You can select your directory. Any directory you can select. You can even select the documents directory. Click, and after that you can check your documents directory. The thumbnail is saved here. You can see that. So it's a very good desktop application. The link is given in the description. If you want the full script, you can go to it and get the source code. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video.